Hi guys, this is Riley, and welcome back to another vlog. So, there are some changes. I changed my outro, but not my intro. My intro will still be the same, but my outro is going to be a little bit different. And I'm going to say it after this video. Now you are probably wondering, oh, it's Tuesday. Where's the Vine? Well, this week shall be different. Oh gosh, that's horrible. This week is going to be different because oh gosh, how's it gonna go? I don't know how it's gonna go, but just keep on checking Twitter, YouTube, and Vine. I'm messing up so bad tonight. It's ridiculous. Okay. Anyway, I really hope you guys enjoyed that Monster Jam video. And so, yeah. So, let's see. Anything else? Weather is beautiful out. Vital Force is going to be, episode 2 of Vital Force will be out this week. Don't know when. But I finally know the schedule. Today is obviously YouTube, and then I'm going to do a YouTube video today, obviously today, or I should actually say tonight. Tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, and then this weekend will be the Vines. So, yeah, tomorrow I'm going to be playing Vital Force, episode 2. I'm going to throw up and cry in the corner. So it should be a fun night. So, alright. Well, yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, and go check out my other videos. This has been Riley. Bye.